Hello guys, in this video, we're toying with tradition and adding a Tex-Mex twist to an arrabbiata pasta sauce. The smoky paprika makes a great addition to the tomato sauce, while the kidney beans are a fun protein-packed surprise. So watch this video for complete guidance. We need the following ingredients. Dry ingredients: 280 g penne pasta, gluten, 400 g tinned chopped tomatoes, 400 g tinned kidney beans, 2 tbsp smoked paprika, 2 tbsp oil, 1 vegetable stock cube, celery and soya, fresh vegetables, 1 onion, 1 pepper, 1 courgette. Steps of cooking: 1. Start by washing all of your vegetables. 2. Chop the onion into 1/4 chunks. Add your oil to your saucepan on a low heat. Allow the oil to heat up and then add your chopped onion. Cook for roughly 4 minutes. Be sure to stir every minute to prevent these from burning. 3. Slice the courgette and peppers into 1 cm chunks. And add to the saucepan. Add in the smoked paprika and stir everything well to make sure all of your vegetables are coated in the seasoning. Cook for 5 minutes. Drain the kidney beans using a sieve and rinse them with water under the tap. You can now add these to the saucepan alongside the tinned tomatoes and the stock cube. Stir everything well. You can crush your stock cube first to make it easier to mix in. Now turn the heat up to medium and simmer for 10 minutes. 5. Fill a separate saucepan with 2/3 of water and bring to the boil. 6. Once your water is boiling, add your pasta and reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook this for 12 minutes, remembering to stir the pasta every now and then to stop it from sticking together. 7. After simmering for 10 minutes, take your fajita sauce off the heat. Make sure you try the sauce and season to taste. 8. Next to finish will be your pasta. After you've cooked it for 11 minutes, use a fork and test a piece of pasta to see if it's ready. If it is still a bit hard, continue to cook for a further 2 minutes. 8. If it feels a bit chewy and not too soft, remove it from the heat and drain your pasta. 9. Take 4 plates or bowls and portion out 1/4 of the pasta into each of them. Then generously top your pastas with equal portions of your fajita sauce. Alternatively, you can mix the fajita sauce with all of your pasta first and then portion it. 10. Serve and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.